Asus has unveiled its new ZenBook Pro Duo laptop and well, it looks like this. Yeah, it has dual screens and it's insanely cool. Hey guys, this is Rupesh from bwom.com and we are here in Taipei, Taiwan for Computex 2019 and well, we went hands-on with the super cool ZenBook Pro Duo. So let's not waste any more time, let's check it out. So this is the brand new ZenBook Pro Duo and as you can see, the laptop comes in two variants, a compact 14-inch one and a more powerful 15.6-inch one. Well, we are going to focus on the latter because obviously. Anyway, this is a stunning looking laptop and it packs in a lot of cool new tech. But the highlight here are the displays. The laptop has dual displays and both these displays here are insane. Let's start with the primary display. It's a 15.6-inch 4K UHD OLED touchscreen and it's stunning. Seriously, look at it. I mean, the display is gorgeous of course, but what really complements this amazing display is the nano edge design. The display here has a screen to body ratio of 89%, which is definitely impressive for a laptop. Then there's this really interesting secondary display just above the keyboard, which adds a host of new functionalities to the ZenBook Pro Duo. This is a 4K IPS LCD display as well, and Asus is calling it the ScreenPad Plus touchscreen. I know, it seems a little dim right now, but the option to change its brightness is grayed out, but I guess the final units will have this option. Anyway, the ZenBook Pro Duo comes with the Screen Expert Control software that lets you do some really cool things with the display. Let me show you. Firstly, you can move apps between the two screens like this. And not only apps, you'll be able to move things like images between the two displays, making it very, very handy. You can also use the secondary display to use multiple apps at a time. So maybe you're working on an app in the primary screen, you can use the ScreenPad Plus to open up messaging app, a music app and more. Yes, you can run 3 apps on this secondary display and that's pretty good. Plus you can create app groups similar to what we have seen in Samsung phones. So when you reboot the laptop, you can just use this to open up the apps you need with ease. It's awesome. There's more you can do. You can even swap apps between the two screens and even extend a single app onto the two displays. It looks very cool, but I'm not sure how this can be handled. That's not all. The ZenBook Pro Duo comes with a stylus as well, and you can use the secondary screen to draw, write, and do a lot more. Plus, some apps like video editing software will show you controls on the secondary screen, which should come in handy. Then there's the fact that you'll be able to do things like this. Yeah, I'm a great piano player, not even kidding. Anyway, the ZenBook Pro Duo is not just about these displays. This is a laptop that is power-packed. Now before I talk about the specs, it's time to talk about Dashlane, our sponsor for this video. Dashlane is an app you need if you're like me and you often use the forget password option. Dashlane brings password storage and autofill, password generator, the ability to save private notes securely and more. Plus it comes with a VPN for Wi-Fi protection and you can even select your country now in the VPN. It's great. Dashlane comes in a free version and its premium version starts at $3.33 per month. However, bwom subscribers can get 50% off the premium version by using the code bwom. So check out Dashlane from the link in the description down below. Now coming back to the ZenBook Pro Duo, like I said, this is a power-packed laptop. It's time for some specs. So the ZenBook Pro Duo is powered by the 9th Gen Core i9 processor, which brings a turbo boost frequency of up to 5 GHz. Yeah, that is great. Plus there's up to 32 gigs of RAM, up to 1 TB of PCI 3.0 SSD storage, and the gaming-grade NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU with 6 gigs of VRAM. Yeah, these are some powerful specs. So the ZenBook Pro Duo should handle day-to-day tasks and even gaming pretty well. And talking about gaming, the laptop has a dedicated turbo fan button to make sure the laptop remains cool. Moving on to the design now, the ZenBook Pro Duo comes with an all-aluminum design that looks really premium but is a fingerprint magnet. Then there's the fairly usual keyboard and this dual-function touchpad, which is a little awkward to use due to its location. Plus, the 15.6-inch variant comes with this palm rest accessory that should come in handy for some people. Apart from that, the laptop comes with all the I/O ports you need, including a Thunderbolt 3 enabled USB-C port. And there's Wi-Fi 6, so yeah, you are covered on the connectivity front. When it comes to the battery, the laptop comes with a 71 watt-hour 4-cell lithium polymer battery and 230-watt charger. So that was a good look at the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo, and well, this is a really cool laptop. It has got high-end specs and a premium aluminum design, but it's all about the dual displays. The dual 4K displays on the ZenBook Pro Duo bring some exciting use cases to the table. And in my brief usage, it certainly seems more useful than a touch bar. But yeah, it's too early to judge if this is actually something people will use. Having said that, ASUS will be launching the ZenBook Pro Duo in Q3 this year, and ASUS will be bringing this to India. So yeah, I'm excited to play with it extensively. Well, that was the ZenBook Pro Duo with its dual displays. So how do you like it? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.